In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog in Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a clean, ready to customize blog page set up on your site, and you'll know exactly where each key control lives so you can build with confidence. Start from your Squarespace dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Website. This takes you into the area where you manage your site's structure and design. Think of this as your home base for everything that affects how visitors navigate and what they see. Next, open Pages. Pages is where your site's navigation, folders, and content pages live. You'll see main navigation at the top, which controls what appears in your primary menu and other areas like not linked or footer for items that don't show in the main menu. In main navigation, click the plus icon to add something new. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're hovering over the main navigation section specifically. Clicking the plus opens a panel of page types you can add, from basic pages to more specialized layouts. Choose Blog. Selecting Blog creates a dedicated page type designed for posts, categories, and tagging. Squarespace will automatically prepare the structure that supports a running list of entries, featured images, dates, and more. It also places the blog into your main navigation, which you can rename later to match your brand voice. You'll now be prompted to select the blog template you prefer. Templates here control the layout of your post list, things like grid versus list, image emphasis, and text density. Pick the one that best suits the style of content you plan to publish. Don't overthink it. You can switch templates later if your needs change. A quick tip: if your posts are image heavy, a layout that highlights thumbnails works well. For text-forward writing, a clean list with clear titles improves readability. After choosing a template, select a section. Sections are pre-built content blocks that sit on the blog page, often a header, an intro, or a call out above your post feed. Choose a section that complements your template and gives visitors helpful context, like a short welcome message or a tagline. Keep it concise and aligned with your brand tone. Finally, click Edit. This opens the page editor so you can customize the section you just added. Update headings and text, swap imagery, and adjust spacing to create a strong first impression. Use clear, scannable copy, maintain consistent fonts and colors, and preview on mobile to ensure everything looks great across devices. When you're satisfied, save your changes. That's it. Your Squarespace blog page is now created, structured, and ready for your content.